on LED dot matrix 8x8 with Arduino. So I decided to make full explanation how to make this gadget. For assembling scrolling text project you will need only two parts, and those are Arduino board, and you can use Arduino Nano or Arduino Uno board, and these boards are very cheap at online store. For example, on eBay Arduino Nano costs around $2. Second part that you need is 8x8 LED dot matrix with integrated LED driver. This LED display you can purchase from eBay for around $2. I will put links in description below of both parts needed to make this project. So to build this gadget you will need only two parts, the Arduino board and the LED dot matrix. Together cost about $4, which is pretty cheap for making this awesome project. First I'm gonna connect all wires from Arduino to LED matrix. There are 5 wires needed to be connected. Positive 5 volts and ground are connected from Arduino to LED matrix. Pin 8 from Arduino is connected to digital in, pin 9 is connected to CS, and pin 10 is connected to CLK. Next you need to do is to install the library needed to work this project. The link is below, just download and insert the library in Arduino library folder. After copying the Max Matrix library into Arduino library, next is to copy the sketch code and paste in the Arduino IDE program. With USB cable, connect the Arduino board with your computer and upload the code. You can write your own text by inserting the words up to 60 letters. Just find this line in the code and insert your own text. Here it is in action, and it's awesome gadget. You can add second display or more LED dot matrix modules, that way the scrolling text look more visible and more amazing.
Thank